In this issue, we will show you our processing solutions for large workpieces and products with expensive materials. First, we will use sand casting to make the general shape. As the product, sand casting is the most cost-effective process for small quantities of products. This is the final product, which saves material costs and also saves part of the rough processing costs. Then, we will carry out lathe, CNC, 5-axis CNC processing, and other steps in sequence according to the characteristics of the workpiece. Ensure that some important positions can achieve tolerances required by customers through machining. Achieve the dual merger of controlling costs and ensuring quality. Finally, we use high-precision CMM to inspect some important parts to ensure that their data is within the range required by customers. This way, there will be no problems in subsequent assembly for current products due to the comprehensive consideration of cost and precision. More and more customers will adopt the solution of casting plus machining, and Tik Precision has rich experience in this solution. If you happen to have a headache about cost, please contact us.